Hello, welcome to today's training. In this video, we shall be designing something called um, dual lighting. Dual lighting. Um, Dual lighting is just about applying some kind of effect on an image. It is mostly used by those who want the clubhouse and the likes. It's like a combination of two colors. Applying two colors on an image. So let me. So the first thing to do is to bring in our image. So we can do that by pressing Ctrl O, or we come over to File and click on Open. Then I'll choose the image I want to use for this particular. Um, so this is the image I want to use. This particular image. I click on it and I press Open. So after bringing in our image, now we will be this is the image. We'll be applying the um the effect on this image. So I want you to listen and watch carefully. It's not something hard. It's like I said earlier, it is the combination of two colors. You can combine two colors together, you know, but preferably I'll be using pink and blue for this particular one. Pink and blue. So the first thing I'll be doing now is to unlock this background. As you can see, the first thing I'll be doing is to unlock this background. So you can see this padlock sign here. I'm going to click on it. So the background has been unlocked. So after that, you come down here. Click on this side. Click on this side, this FX, and after clicking on it, you click on this side, this way. So you click on it and you click on gradients. This is where I clicked on this. Yeah, you can see, click on it and click on gradients. As you can see what we have. After clicking on it, you click on this gradients box. You click on it, then you come to this side. You click on this side and come down here to this color and click on it. Then I will be choosing a color I want to use for this effect. Like I said earlier, it's pink, so a kind of pink I want to use for it. So the next thing I'll do now is, this is the color code for this particular color. So I want to change the color code so that I will choose the color I want. So the color code for this particular one is FF00 AE. Yeah, this is the particular pink I want, FF00AE. Then I click on OK. Now the next thing to do now is this angle. Let's change this angle to 0. This degree, we change angle, let's change it to 0. Then after that, you click on this gradient box again. After changing it to 0, you click on this gradient box and let's do our manipulation. So as I go on, you will be seeing the effects of this. Now coming down to this place, while holding your shift key or your left hand side, you can see the manipulation now. You can see, and I bring this also down here. Yes, you can copy mine and you can try to be creative and do yours, but just make sure it is something that is very okay. So as you can see. Then after that you click on OK. Then let's change the blending mode for this particular. Let's go to this is the blending mode. Yeah, this normal. Click on it and let's click on color. Let's click on this. This is color down here. You click on color. As you can see what we have now. After clicking on color, the next thing now is we'll be duplicating this particular layer. We're duplicating this layer. So to do that, come down here like this and put it down. After right clicking, let's click on this and holding your shift key, and I drag down here to this new layer icon, and you can see what we have. So we have a new layer. So now we'll go through the process, the same process we did, for the first layer. Next thing we do now is to come down to this place, click on it, click on gradients, then click on this gradient box. But before clicking, let's change this angle to 180. Let's change the angle to 180. Then let's click on this gradient box. Then after clicking on the gradient box, you come down to this side, click on this and come to this color box. Now the second color I'll be using is, like I said, color blue. So the color code for this is 0084AE. You don't need to start cramming color codes. The reason why is just to enable you get exactly what I'm doing. So you can scroll down. I can easily come to this side. Now this is the kind of color I want, to try to get the exact one I want, but I just to make it easier, that's why I'm typing the color code 0, so you don't have to start cramming color codes and 0084 AE. This is the particular color that I want. So after that, I click on OK. Then I'll do the manipulation the way we did the first one, by coming down to this place and dragging. So let's see what we have now. Let's drag this as well. Let's drag. Yes, so let's click on OK. So after that, let's change this also to color. Now do you see what we have? Can you see what we have now? Can you see how nice this is looking? You can see the combination of the two, the pink and the blue. You can see the combination of the two. You can see how this looks like. So you can see it's as easy as nothing. It's very, very easy. Just watch the video carefully and try to do what I have just done. So the next thing now is to save this. So let's come over to File, Save As. You can let's name this dual lighting effect. Dual lighting effect. So you can save as Photoshop for, so that in case you make any mistake, you can simply come back later to make your adjustments to this. So save. Okay, and after that you can as well save it on your save as. So dual lighting effect, come down here, you choose JPEG to save it as an image on your system, JPEG. Then you click on save. You can see maximum 12, quality 12 maximum. So click on OK. So it has been saved successfully. It has been saved successfully. So the next thing to do, it has been saved successfully. Thank you for watching.